On your generator that you got, which model, you've got a door here that has a weird interlocking mechanism. You're gonna pull straight up on it. Then you're gonna pull out. This has what looks like a truck bed type hook on the backside. As you can see here, the people that have been taking it apart really haven't been really familiar with it because they've bent the snot out of it. So now that we're in the generator section here, but what I'm doing is helping you out. You get something out of it, great, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe. Down here in bottom, we've got our battery. There's your positive and your negative. One of the things you're gonna look at while you're doing your maintenance is you're gonna make sure that these terminals are not corroded. This is one of the #1 things that causes problems on generators, corrosion. This is a maintenance-free battery, so a lot of times we don't have as many problems with these corroding. As you can see, with even no spray and stuff, it looks pretty good. I don't know how old this battery is because the installers didn't mark it. If you look around at the bottom, sometimes you'll get lucky and you'll see a manufacturer's date or a sticker on it. I'm going to test this with a digital checker and I'm going to test it with a load checker. The factory does not recommend using a load checker. I like to do both. If this thing had serviceable battery, I would check the water levels and be checking the specific gravities to make sure that each individual cell is accurate. You know, it depends on how thorough you want to do with this. If you're just wanting to make sure it runs, then just make sure the battery's not bad, make sure it starts, do a basic load check on it, or just hire a professional. Here's where the oil drains out. You loosen this up and we'll be able to drain it out. Obviously, this right here is your oil filter, oil pressure switch, temperature switch down there in the back. This is your magnetos. Here's your oil cooler. Here's your wiring loom. You want to try to keep all this free of oil. Here's where you fill the oil. A lot of times I'll go ahead and open this up and I'll pull the dipstick out just a little bit. Now that we've got this ready to go, let's go ahead and start this draining. So while it's draining, then we'll do the next steps. We're gonna go ahead and loosen this up. As long as this is above the bottom of the engine, it's not gonna drain out right away. I'm going to open up our flap here and we're gonna stick our hose in there and we're gonna try to keep it about level with the height of the drain there. It's going to come straight out. Now you got to watch it if this starts to fill up, which this one here holds quite a few quarts of oil, so it's not going to fill up right away, and it was already empty. We're going to let that thing drain. It should be starting to come out. There it is coming out. It's coming out in a drizzle, which is the whole reason why I said you want to run the generator to get it warm, because it's going to come out really thick and slow. While it's doing that, now's a good time to check our air filter here. Flip up this here. Now granted, all these models might be different. You've got 2 clips back here in the back that hold it in place. They're fixed. These usually get broken off. Surprisingly, they're not yet. So this is a little tricky, so you're gonna lift up a little bit to get this edge up, and you're gonna shove back a little bit, and you're gonna unhook it there in the back. Now, you should be able to lift up. You can either just look at it like this, or you can completely remove it and pull it off like that. Check inside there, make sure there's no leaves. Make sure that this filter looks good. Check inside there, make sure you don't have debris build up. You know what, they're gonna give us a brand new filter. This is one of those things that generally never goes bad unless a mouse chews it up. Now,